Here are the top losers and gainers on May 20, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 10 losers and top 7 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 10 losers. Number 1, Bright Green Corporation, ticker BGXX, negative 28.34% change. Bright Green Corporation grows, manufactures, and sells cannabis and cannabis-related products legally under federal and state laws for research, pharmaceutical applications, and export. Why is it moving? Bright Green Corporation shares are trading lower as the stock pulls back following Wednesday's surge. Number 2, Ross Stores Incorporated, ticker ROST, negative 22.47% change. Ross Stores Incorporated engages in the operation of off-price retail apparel and home accessory stores. Why is it moving? Ross Stores shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q1 EPS and sales results. The company also issued Q2 EPS guidance below analyst estimates. Number 3, Neurometrics Incorporated, ticker NURO, negative 21.64% change. Neurometrics Incorporated engages in the research, development, and trade of medical equipment and consumables. Why is it moving? Neurometrics shares are trading higher after the company announced the FDA has granted de novo authorization to market the Quell neuromodulation device as an aid for reducing the symptoms of fibromyalgia. Number 4, Forge Global Holdings Incorporated, ticker FRGE, negative 15.09% change. Forge Global Holdings Incorporated provides marketplace infrastructure, data services, and technology solutions for private market participants. Why is it moving? Shares of several banks and financial services companies are trading lower amid overall market weakness on continued concerns over inflation and further Fed policy tightening. Number 5, Burlington Stores Incorporated, ticker BURL, negative 14.9% change. Burlington Stores Incorporated is a holding company, which provides customers a selection of fashionable branded products in women's ready-to-wear apparel, menswear, youth apparel, baby products, footwear, accessories, home goods, and coats. Why is it moving? Burlington shares are trading lower in sympathy with Ross Stores after the company reported worse than expected Q1 financial results and issued Q2 EPS guidance below analyst estimates. Number 6, Deere & Company, ticker DE, negative 14.15% change. Deere & Company manufactures and distributes various equipment worldwide. Why is it moving? Deere shares are trading lower after the company reported Q2 financial results. Number 7, Sky Harbor Group Corporation, ticker SKYH, negative 13.82% change. Sky Harbor Group Corporation, an aviation infrastructure development company, develops, leases, and manages general aviation hangars for business aircraft in the United States. Why is it moving? Sky Harbor Group shares are trading higher on above-average volume despite no company-specific news to justify the price action. Number 8, Upstart Holdings Incorporated, ticker UPST, negative 13.34% change. Upstart Holdings Incorporated operates a cloud-based artificial intelligence lending platform in the United States. Why is it moving? Shares of several banks and financial services companies are trading lower amid overall market weakness on continued concerns over inflation and further Fed policy tightening. Number 9, Citi Trends Incorporated, ticker CTRN, negative 13.21% change. Citi Trends Incorporated engages in the retail of urban fashion apparel, shoes, accessories, and home decor. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader retail industry are trading lower. Weakness could possibly be related to recent worse than expected earnings from other retail companies. And number 10, Kohl's Corporation, ticker KSS, negative 13.06% change. Kohl's Corporation owns and operates family-oriented department stores. It offers exclusive brand apparel, shoes, accessories, and home and beauty products through its department stores. Why is it moving? Kohl's shares are trading lower on continued weakness after the company reported Q1 EPS results were down year over year and cut financial year 22 guidance. Here are the top 7 gainers. Number 1, Teva Pharmaceutical Industries Limited, ticker TEVA, positive 1.99% change. Teva Pharmaceutical Industries Limited engages in the provision of pharmaceutical services. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the biotech and pharmaceuticals space are trading lower amid an overall market sell-off as investors weigh the impact of Wednesday's Fed decision. Number 2, Waste Connections Incorporated, ticker WCN, positive 1.77% change. Waste Connections Incorporated is an integrated municipal solid waste services company, which provides solid waste collection, transfer, disposal, and recycling services in mostly exclusive and secondary markets in the US and Canada. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid market weakness as traders continue to digest Wednesday's Fed rate hike announcement. Number 3, Jacobs Engineering Group Incorporated, ticker symbol J, positive 1.65% change. Jacobs Engineering Group Incorporated engages in the provision of a diverse range of technical, professional, and construction services to industrial, commercial, and governmental clients. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as stocks continue to sell off following last week's Fed rate hike decision. Number 4, Kilroy Realty Corporation, ticker symbol KRC, positive 0.29% change. Kilroy Realty Corporation is a self-administered REIT active in premier office and industrial submarkets along the West Coast. Why is it moving? Shares of several REITs are trading higher as stocks rebound following Wednesday's weakness, which came after the CDC discovered a case of the COVID-19 Omicron in the US. Number 5, Curtiss-Wright Corporation, ticker symbol CW, positive 0.26% change. Curtiss-Wright Corporation engages in the design, manufacture, and overhaul of precision components. Why is it moving? Shares of companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid market weakness as traders continue to digest Wednesday's Fed rate hike announcement. Number 6, PIMCO Active Bond Exchange Traded Fund, ticker symbol BOND, positive 0.24% change. The fund typically invests at least 80% of its assets in a diversified portfolio of fixed income instruments of varying maturities, which may be represented by forwards or derivatives such as options, futures contracts, or swap agreements. Why is it moving? Shares of several real estate companies are trading lower amid market weakness as the coronavirus pandemic continues to take its toll on the economy. The virus has made it more difficult to look at and invest in real estate. And number 7, Western Alliance Bancorp, ticker symbol WAL, positive 0.20% change. Western Alliance Bancorp operates as a bank holding company, which engages in the provision of service banking and related services to locally owned businesses, professional firms, real estate developers and investors, and local nonprofit organizations. Why is it moving? Shares of banks and financial services companies are trading higher amid overall market strength as traders continue to assess recent earnings reports in the space and weigh the impact of rising yields on the sector. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved. Which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.